back out of Dixon Kart Track. Obviously, I got on the bike real late this season, had a lot more other things to do, but it's great to get out here and get some training. My son and myself pretty much always here by ourselves, but we got to have Kevin from Fun Track Days pop out with us. He's staff, and we've been utilizing his experience and expertise as an instructor. He's doing a flow session. What we call this is just going full session at one certain pace, and you just flow through it. I'm not even shifting gears, actually, to be honest. Kevin said, man, get out there, go lot to lot. When the flag drops for the session to start, to when the flag drops for the session to end, you want to kind of stay at one pace. So that's why you don't want to go out there trying to blaze personal best, because it's all about staying consistent as long as possible. Dixon uses a lot of the right side of the tire, so we took it to Stockton, the very first place that we ever got to get on the kart tracks. Actually, the first place that we got with the R3, the reason I bought the R3 was this place, and now we have two of them. So with my son utilizing Fun Track Days Young Racer program, this is going to be something that we're able to see how he's going to hold up with a little bit of pressure. And the point isn't to pass or anything like that. It's just to get in the mix and have some fun, go quick, apply a little bit of pressure, and see how consistent we can stay at a faster pace. Again, I want to work to be faster. I'm not fast. I know I'm not fast, but I'm trying to utilize all my efforts and focus on getting fast. And to do that with my son is a real good time. With the help of a few friends in the industry, we're trying to make things work, and we're trying to utilize everybody's experience to help us out. And this is just the greatest place to do it. So after this, you see we're training, we're doing a little bit of riding, good stuff, good way to get myself back in the mix. But we want to go get on the R1. We're gonna go get on the R1 at Thunder Hill, Big Thunder Hill actually, T Hill East. So right after this, stay tuned. You're gonna see some Thunder Hill action on the R1.
I got my goal. Rear tires, it keeps spinning.
Yep.
Yeah, but I mean, we did it 09 too. It got a 209 too. Yeah, I got more in it, but rear tire spinning out of the drive on 2 and shit.
My lines are like.
Yeah. I followed each line that you did. Yeah.
Yeah, it's tough with all the people, but yeah.
All right, so what you just saw there is me talking to Ryan. Ryan is a instructor staff for Pacific Track Time. He's also an AFM competitor, etc., etc. I linked with him because, again, after riding, I just did a Thunderhill track day you guys saw in the last video. This one, I really wanted to focus more on pace. Instead of just riding with my friends, I went out, told Ryan to give me a tow around a 205, and let's see where we were at. So as you see this overlay, we got speeds, we've got sectors, we've got everything broken down. And I wanted to show you guys this just to give you an idea. Like I said, I'm not fast yet, but I'm working to be quicker. So the bike has been on the same tires for about 2 years. It's had about 5 track days on the tires. The tires weren't really hanging in there that much. It was scary on the left-hand turns, and I was getting a little bit of wheel spin out of turn 2. Also back here, as you see the dot going around turn 6 through 7. It wasn't that confidence inspiring, but the track day stuff with the kart track on the R3s definitely gave me body position to lay down on the knee and use that for stability. And Dave Moss set the bike up the last track day, and I didn't go out and test it. So this is the first track day that I rode with those suspension settings. The bike had so much more feedback. I could feel when it was sliding. Plus, I was riding in the higher power level, which gave me a more active throttle. And it was cool because I was able to reel the bike in when the wheels started sliding. And it almost made it look like I knew what the hell I was doing. So it was a great experience. That's just what I really wanted to see. Again, this is just a benchmark. Some laps I had faster speeds, faster sectors, but I didn't get to put together the entire lap. So this is just one lap put together. Just give you a reference of what I could possibly do. But I think what I'll be shooting for, me personally, I'm not trying to be the fastest in the land, but I want 205s. So let's see if we can get that next.
T-minus 20 seconds and counting.
Hey, yo! Yo!
15. 12. 11. 10, 9, 9.
Are you kidding me? As soon as I'm done editing the vlog, this pops up?
We have liftoff. Welcome to the dawn of a new era.
Hey, be excited, be very excited. New things coming.